Hello to my subscribers and viewers. You are welcome back to this video. Thank you for always for your support. Here we're going to be cooking today a quick stir fry, where we have the olive oil already in the pot, and then we add some shrimps to saute for some few minutes, and after that we going to add our onions, blanch our onions with it to give it that taste. The shrimps already has been salted with some seasoning salt. Then after that, um, we add in our onions, leave it for a while to simmer. Then, if you can see, then we add in the next. We add our mushrooms, already washed and packaged mushrooms. It's a very easy stir fry. You can use it to eat your rice or just eat it like that. For those that just want to eat, vegetables without any carbohydrate. This is a very good low carb food as well. So we're leaving the mushrooms to simmer a little bit, and then we now add a big squeeze of garlic, organic and garlic that's are in tubes, and also organic ginger, made in tubes these days. Is It makes life easier. So you squeeze it in, a big squeeze, and you turn it, stir, and leave for for a while to also simmer. Then we add our carrots, our mini carrots. Also, carrots are good for the bio flavor. Very good for the body. Yeah, you have the adding the you've added the carrots. The carrot is the yellow color, made up of the flavonoids, and it's very. So you add your carrots and allow it to simmer. Then we're adding our body long cubes or Maggi cubes to it to give it the taste. Leaving it still on on the stove cooking, just simmering, low heat. Then the next we'll add our orange stir fry sauce or liquid, about maybe about 30 mils of it, not too much, and stir. Stir for about 2 minutes. Stir for 2 minutes, and then the last but not the least, we add our 2 packets of frozen vegetables. When we add that, we lower the heat a little bit, lower it more, and then we stir and leave it to simmer for about 5 minutes. Just stir it together very well. And then we'll leave it to simmer. You come back again and stay. You have some, liquid coming out because of the frozen vegetables. And then we'll now put a little bit of, because of the liquid, you have to get it. So you have you have some liquid, in the stir fry because of the frozen vegetables. So all you need to do is you use a thickening agent, and our thickening agent is corn flour, just a little bit at the side, and then it thickens, and then you stir it into the stir fry. It does not change the taste. It even makes the taste better. So, and gives it a good, aroma as well. So, yes, you don't even know that. It just makes the whole thing, the whole stir fry, looks better and good. If you are in my kitchen right now, the aroma is superb. You can smell it and ready to eat. And being a vegetable, it's a low carb food. You can just eat this alone if you don't want to add any other carbs to it. Some people you put it on rice or spaghetti. Put it on spaghetti or macaroni. It's yummy. And then you leave it to cook a little bit. You stir, and you can see it's ready. We'll just leave it a little bit to simmer more so that the corn starch can cook well into it. This is broccoli. You also add seasoning salt if you taste it and it needs a little bit of salt. You've got to taste it first, and then also adding cayenne pepper. I love it to be a little bit spicy, so you can add. These are optional. Yeah, these are optional. You don't have to put cayenne pepper if you don't like cayenne pepper, and then you leave it. So if you have, thank you for watching. Share and also like and subscribe if you have not yet done so. Thank you for your support always. Bye till the next video. Bye bye.